Hi friends, this is Vikas here. So Apple has launched the iPhone 12 in the recent event in October. In this video, I'll be talking about it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe it. So first, let's see what's inside the box. Apple has significantly reduced the volume of the box. When we open it, we get the iPhone itself with a white paper so called as the protector. It's made of paper and we can peel it off. This is the product red model, and actually it's not that much red. We also get a type C to lightning cable. At last, we get some paperwork, SIM ejector tool and a Apple's emblem. So yeah, that's all for the box. Apple has refined the look of the iPhone. It has the same notch and a slightly updated camera as in the iPhone 12. It has a new flat design in the edge, which is totally different from other phones today. Now, let's talk about the protection of this phone. It has some new layer on the screen called as a ceramic shield. It is basically this hardened glass with crystal structures in it. It is in the front of the phone over the screen and is supposed to offer 4 times better drop protection. The battery life is pretty much good. It has a 6.1-inch 1080p OLED display. Apple has not brought a 90 or 120Hz display. It is still a missing feature in this iPhone as it still has a 60Hz display. This phone has MagSafe, which is basically a magnet in iPhone 12. It's used for wireless charging. You can just keep it on the phone. The MagSafe charger can also be used with other phones. This phone is OnePlus 80. You can also add a wallet to it or remove it using the MagSafe technology, which is introduced in the iPhone 12. So that's all for the iPhone 12. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.